Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we will unveil the secrets to achieving the perfect work-life balance. It's a universal challenge faced by many and one that can significantly impact our overall well-being. But fear not, because we've gathered expert tips and tricks to help you find the right harmony between your professional responsibilities and personal life. So, let's dive in. Work-life balance is a delicate tightrope act that requires careful attention and planning. It's about having a fulfilling career while also making time for family, friends, hobbies, and self-care. Achieving this balance requires an intentional and holistic approach. Setting priorities. One of the fundamental aspects of achieving work-life balance is setting clear priorities. Start by identifying your core values and what truly matters to you. This will help you align your actions with your long-term goals. Once you have established your priorities, create a schedule that reflects those values. Ensure that you allocate time for your work, personal commitments, and self-care activities. Effective time management. Time management is key to achieving work-life balance. Avoid multitasking, as it often leads to decreased productivity and increased stress. Instead, focus on one task at a time. Learn to delegate tasks whenever possible. Remember, you don't have to do everything yourself. Delegating tasks not only helps you save time but also empowers others to contribute and grow. Learn to say no. It's essential to set boundaries and learn to say no when necessary. Taking on too much can lead to burnout and negatively impact both your work and personal life. Be assertive and politely decline additional commitments when you already have enough on your plate. By saying no to certain things, you create space for the activities and relationships that truly matter to you. Work-life integration. Achieving work-life balance doesn't necessarily mean separating work and personal life into two distinct spheres. It's about finding harmony and integration between the two. Embrace technologies and flexible work arrangements that allow you to work from different locations or adjust your schedule to better accommodate your personal life. And there you have it, the secrets to achieving perfect work-life balance. Remember, finding the right balance will be unique to each individual, so be patient with yourself and make adjustments as needed. By setting priorities, managing your time effectively, learning to say no, and integrating work and personal life, you'll be well on your way to a more fulfilling and balanced lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Disclaimer: the views and opinions expressed in this video are solely those of the individuals and may not necessarily reflect the official policies or positions of our organization.